1000 times you have to change. So that is the problem. Means we are directly typing here I'm giving
అచ్చేరిందా అడిచేరి ఓకే ఆ కాలేజీ చెప్తున్నా కాలేజీ ఇచ్చేది పెట్టి అచ్చారు
because of this.
చెప్తాను
Okay. You are 1000 times username can't change password 1000 times from morning till evening username again if they change again I need to change. You have to open one each class, go there, change it. So that is a drawback. So that's the reason. Instead of that, we are going to be like instead of corporate value, we are going to be the external resource. It can be anything. Okay, it can be Excel backs. It can be Excel. Yes, it can be Excel also. It can be a property file also. Shall I keep it in property file? Yes. Shall I keep it in database? Yes. Okay. I think can be one property file. What do you mean by property file?
Next पढ़ा नन्हे
What do you mean by property file? Or what do you mean by Excel? Okay. Excel everyone knows. Since everyone using Excel, or it can be videos. I can keep the data in property file or in Excel. Test case 500, test case 1000. This is called URL, username, password. If it is changing, it's very difficult to change in every class. Okay, maintenance is difficult. That is the meaning of maintenance. Okay. So if I keep it in property file, assume that I'm keeping it in property file or Excel file. Go to Excel file and change it only once. Only one time. And going into Excel file or going to property file and changing is very easy. Even manual testing can do that. Okay, that is the advantage of what? Data driven. What do you mean by exactly data driven testing is okay, testing the application, okay, with multiple inputs, which is kept in external resource file like property file or Excel or it can be DB. Normally, 90% of the industry will get data in these two files, property file and Excel file. They will not go for DB. It is a bit difficult to change the data. But still, use application like Flipkart, they want to test with different user data, multiple data. So then in that case, they'll go for DB. So what do you mean by data-driven testing? Testing the application with multiple test data, which is kept in external resource file. What do you mean by external resource file? It can be anything. It can be property file, like this, Excel file, or DB. It's called as what? Okay. Data-driven testing. Okay, there you go. Okay, put it in. Okay, we'll see. What do you mean by property file? Property file, and what is this common data? What is this test script data? Okay. What is this standalone application? Everything. Okay. What is it? Apache file, one by one. JDBC is what? Okay, here Java. Why have written Java? What are these things? We'll see that. Okay. In that common database, okay. One second. Here, common data means okay. The data, test data, it is nothing but the test data which is common to all the 1000 test cases. Here in every 1000 test cases, URL, username, password is common. Are we going to log in? Are we going to enter the URL? Yes, we need to enter the URL. Okay, 1000 test cases means 1000 times you have to enter the URL. And even you need to log into each and every the test cases. Is it always 1,000? No, it can be 500 or 400, 600. It maybe depends. It depends upon the applications. It depends upon the manual test cases they have. Okay. So this is called as common data. We're going to keep the common data in property file. Okay. And what is this test script data? Okay. Test script data means, for example, I want to create a customer. In test case 500. Okay. My test case is, okay, test case name is create customer with some name called HDFC underscore 00. So that is that data, that kind of test data is, okay, will be used only for this test case. Are we going to use the same test data in every test case? No. Okay. In other test cases, we will create project. Okay. Something will be like that. Such project or such customer. In that time, data will be different. This is so whatever the data is what is particular to the particular test cases, that is called as test script data. Those kind of data we are going to keep in Excel. Excel, we are going to call it as what kind of application is standalone. Excel is an example for standalone. Okay. So those are all called as what, like I need to create a customer with HDFC underscore 001. Customer name is what? HDFC underscore 001. Okay, this is test script data. Okay, these things we're going to keep it in HDFC underscore 001. It is, okay, used only in one test case. What is the name of the test case? Something called create customer. Okay, SBI underscore 007. Okay, this is something called modify customer. Okay, like this. These are the test script data. What do you mean by test script data? It is not common. The data which is not common in all the test cases. This kind of test case, this kind of test data, we are going to keep it in where? In Excel file. Why, sir? We'll see this. I will tell you. Okay, first we'll see what is property file, how to create property file. Okay, then how to create property file. What is property file? How to create? We'll see that. How to create it, then how to read the data from the property file. Okay, how to read the data from property file. Okay, how to create the property file, we'll see that once. Okay. Create one notepad. Okay, open one notepad. Let me open one notepad. Let me open one notepad. Okay, in property file, it will use a concept called maps. Okay, it will use a concept called what? Maps. In map, there are two things. One is key, one is that key value pair. Okay, in maps, we are going to store the element in key value pair. Okay, how do we store the elements in maps? You should know maps, guys, for this. Okay. Huh? Next slide, whereas maps, element is stored in key value pair. Okay. List has its own advantage, whereas map has got its own advantage. Okay. So how to create a property file? Okay. What do you mean by property file? Property file is nothing but a notepad. Almost similar, but it's a little bit changed. Okay. Little bit change is there when compared to notepad. Okay. How to create a property file? Open one notepad. and then value. What is the key is URL. I'm going to give the key as URL. What is the value? Value is, I will give the, what is the URL? Demo.antitype.com. I want to keep, okay, I want to keep three data. One is URL, username, password. Okay. Same way, username. I'm going to give it as admin. Password. Okay. Manager. This is how, okay, we're going to keep the data in the property file. Okay. It is similar to Notepad only. Okay. Open a Notepad. Type this. Okay. In real time, we never give, okay, for understanding, I've given key value like this. Okay. How to give, sir? How to give? See here. Left side, you have to give the key. URL is the key. One space, give the URL. Okay, left side is the key, right side is the value. One space, whatever you give after one space, whatever you give is the value. Okay. Same way, username. You can give anything. Key can be anything, but you should remember you should know the key. Okay. I can give UN or I can give username. Anything you get. Username space admin. Password. Either username is the key. After one space, whatever you have given admin, that is the value. Same way, password space manager. Okay, open Notepad, then type lines. Then save the file. Okay, save the file as in the desktop. I'm saving the file as common data dot property. Common data dot property. Okay, save the file as extension should be what? Property. Always remember. Okay, but it's similar to what in Notepad means txt extension. Property file means same as Notepad. You can also open it in Notepad only. But extension should be what? Property. That's it. That is the only change. Extension will be changed. See, if I open this common data dot property, okay, it will open it in Notepad only still. Okay, extension is different. Okay, it is not txt. Actual Notepad will be using what normal by default txt extension. Here in property file, extension will be what? Property. That is the only change. Open on empty Notepad, type this. Same way, any file. You can give any file name, but extension should be what? Dot property. Extension should be dot property. How to read? I want to read this data. How to read the data? I have created manually. We have to read. Okay? In real time also we have to do it manually. We are going to keep it not in desktop, but we'll keep it inside the project. Okay, under the folder name called data. First we'll read the data, then I'm going to keep it in there. Okay. How to read the data from the property file? Let me create a class.
Yeah.
In Java. How to read the data from the property? Property data. Create any file name along with the name. Now I want to read the data. I want the username, password. What we have kept in the property for three things. Three data we have kept. That is username, password, and the URL. How to read the data from the property file is I have created a class. Okay, any class with any name you can create it. Under my method, okay, you have to remember this. Okay, there is a method called get property. Present in, okay, get property is a method, guys, and it is a non-static. What kind of method it is?
Non-static.
Non-static. Non-static method. Present in which class is? There is a class called in Java. There is a class called properties. Okay, properties class. There is a method called what? Get property. So non-static method present in. Okay, what is this method will do? If I call this method, it will read the data from the property file. Okay, and it is present in properties class. Non-static method present in properties class. But this properties class will not understand that external resource file. This is notepad. This notepad will not understand this. Okay, notepad or anything Excel or Word. Okay, will Java, this Java classes will not understand that okay, external resource file language or things. We can see, we will come to know that this is property file, this is Excel, but looking at that, what we will come to know. But how come these classes will get identified? For that, you have to use, okay, there is a class called file inputs. Okay, there is a class called file inputs. What is this? Okay, anyone, okay, who are done with the handling file handling in Java? The Java is completed for you guys now. That file handling is completed.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Amrita, Avinash, Mayuri, Bhaskar, Bhatia, Chetan. How to get the data from the file now?
Input stream. ತಗೋ ಬೇಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ.
Java will not understand this external resource file. Whenever you want to read the data from the any external resource file, it can be a property file, it can be Excel file, it can be a notepad, okay, it can be a Word document, anything. Okay, we have to use this file input stream. Why, sir? Because this will convert external resource file, means that physical file, into Java readable format or in Java object. Okay, for that purpose, we are going to use this file input stream class. It will take the path. Okay, what is the path? How to get the path? Now I want to convert this file, okay, into Java object or Java readable format. Right click, give the path. Right click, properties. Click on security. Copy this path. Control C and give it the file input stream class. Constructor. Okay, inside the constructor, it is going to take the path as a string, means it is going to take the path. Okay, is it mandatory for how to read the data from the array file? Whenever you want to read the data from the array file, this is mandatory. The step 8 is mandatory. Okay, because you have to convert the external file, that physical file, into Java object or Java readable file, and that is not in a file. Now property file. By looking at the file, we can see what is there inside that. Okay, we can understand that language, but Java will not understand. Okay, not to understand that, we have to use this file input stream. Okay. Now, tell me, now how to call this get property method? I told you it's a non-static method present in properties class. How to call this method?
Shit.
Create an object of, yes, correct. Create an object of properties class. Create an object of properties. Properties. Okay, properties, control space. P equals new properties of. Create an object of properties class. Call that P dot get property. This method is now we can call. It is going to take key as an argument. Key means, what do you mean by key? In this, what is key here? This one. What is key? URL.
URL.
Correct. URL.
Okay.
What about username? Is it a key? Yes. What about password? Yes. If I pass URL, here, it will give me that demo.com, http www.demo.com. Put it in as one value, return the piece is a string. If I print this, SYSO control space value, it will return, okay, what it is going to print, http www.demo.com. Okay, here it is throwing file in Muslim class is throwing an file not watch. Okay.
Username.
If I pass username, what it will do?
What mean?
If I pass URL, it will return this demo.com. Same way if I pass username, what it will return? Huh? So admin is written. Yes, it will give me admin is going to give me. If I pass password, it is going to return manage. Okay, it is going to return manage. Are you guys getting? Okay. Now see here I have converted in line number 10. I have converted to Java physical file or external resource file into Java readable format. But you have to load this one. You have to load it into property file, because property file there is no connection between this FIS file input stream and property file. You have to tell that which file. You have to pass this FIS to property file. How to pass? There is a method called load. Okay, it is also non-static method. Okay, there is a method called load. It is also non-static method present in properties class. Before reading the data from the property file, okay, it will ask you give me the file. There can be a number of files.
Property.
After converting, now it will load that file. Then after loading, it will go to that file and then get the property data and get the value of this one user. For this key, it will return the value. If I pass password, it will return manager. See, let us now it will return what username I'm passing. If I execute this, it will print admin. It will return admin. Let me execute. I've executed the code. See, is it typing the admin? Yes. Same way I will pass now password. Execute. It will return what? Manage. Is it returning manager? Yes. Let me pass URL. Execute. It will return what? Demo.activity. This is how we are going to read the data from the property. What you have to remember? Two things. One is the load method and one more is get property. You have to load the file. There can be a number of files. Which file you will load it in that file, it will go there and it will return the value for this key. This one is common, no need of remembering. The line number 11, no need of remembering, because for any file you have to, whenever you want to read the data from any file, you have to use file input stream. That is standard in Java. Okay, this is okay. We have solution in Java. Whenever you want to read the data from any notepad or any property file in Java, we have the solution. For Excel file, a little bit okay, change is there. I will tell you. Sorry guys, can sir? Yes, sir. Yes, tell me that. Sir, if we like that, you paste that common data property in the desktop. If we paste that file in the Eclipse here, create a data folder and paste it and then copy paste, it is working or not? Yeah, it has to work. See, in real time, we never keep this Excel resource file, okay, in desktop, okay, because everyone is going to use this. Everyone is going to use this. Okay, you have to keep it inside the project. And project is common. Everyone is common. Automation of everyone using common automation project. So that I am working in a different test case, but my project is same. No? Even Ratan Singh project is also same. Even Chinmay project is also same. Data is added. Something not. Into which browser I want to execute. Okay, Chrome. Some data is added tomorrow. Our email ID is added. Email is what something admin at the rate gmail.com or active.com, whatever it may be. Something. Still it will. That is the advantage of what? Max. That's the reason they have introduced max mask. Inside property file, they will be using what? Max. Okay? You have to add n number of data. N number of data. Only drawback is you have to remember the key. That's it. That's the reason we don't keep more data in property. I will remember it. It's not an one I can remember 10 data, 20 data, 100 data I can remember. But what happens if I give my complete book? The newcomer has to again need to go to an issue again remember it. Okay? Yes. So because we are using a property file, so only we have created this object. Yes. Okay. So unload is a method in property class. Yes. Load is a non-static method. Okay. Even get property is a non-static method. Present in properties class. Okay. Present in properties class. Then you want to load this. Okay. But property file, it will ask you to create an object. It will ask you. Okay, boss, I will get the data. If I call this method, I will get the data. But in which file you want me to get the data? That is what it is asking. So you have to load the file. Before using get property, will tell you load the file first. Okay, which file you have to load? This file. You have to load the file. I cannot directly load this file. To convert this, then I am loading. That is what it is here. I am converting and putting in the files. Then I am loading. Okay, getting because okay, Java will not external resource file convert to Java readable format first. Convert it like the button. Then you load the file. Then you get the property. That's it. Okay, getting so, object. When you are creating an object, we know that because both are non-static method. So you have to create an object and that's it. Okay. And let me go to diagram. You have to copy this. PC, DC, and MC. Where? In DC means get customer, DC means delete customer, MC means modify customer. It will depends. Okay. So create customer, modify customer, delete. Start them, I have written. That's it. Okay. If you want, you can make a note of that also. Create customer, edit customer, modify customer, it can be anything. Okay. Search customer or create project, edit project, modify project. It depends based upon your test case. Okay, in real time, we never give a pass size. Okay, because this is the part kept in, this is the file we have kept it in the where desktop. We don't keep it in desktop now. So keep it in copy this, close this. Okay, copy this file, Control C, put it inside the Java project. Under annotation, create a folder called data. Inside the Java folder. So how to do this part? Okay, see if I delete this file, it will not work. Okay, why it will not work? Because I've given the path of the file which is there in the desktop, but now desktop file is not there. I have cut and pasted inside the data folder. Okay, so you have to give this path right click of this file properties. Okay, then you copy this path under location. Now give the path. Now also it will work. What is this? Username, right? Username. Okay, what I have kept. Username. See that. Username only. Password. File not found exception. Or it's a property. Yeah. Okay, see here. Now it is working. It is getting it. Okay, but here also one drawback is there. I have given the path, absolute path. So it will work only in my system. Okay, it will work only in my system. How to give the relative path? Tell me. How to get the forward slash? So it will work in only data. You have to give the what path?
Data slash.
In fact, from one, if you guys execute, after you also paste it, okay, paste it inside the data folder, then if you guys execute the same program, will work in everyone's system. Are you guys getting? That is the advantage of giving what? Relative path. That is the advantage of giving relative path. Okay? In real time, we will always give the relative path. We never give absolute path. Are you guys getting? You can make the code generic. So that same code will work in anyone's system. Okay? Are you guys getting? What is the drawback of using absolute path? Why we are using relative path here? It will work. Even though if I use the absolute path, it will work in my system, but in your system it will not work. Why? Because you guys will be using different Eclipse workspace. I am using E drive. You guys might be using C drive. So here, let me show you the absolute relative path. So this is the absolute path. This is the absolute path. Okay, I am using this workspace. You guys will be using different names for the workspace. So it will work only in my system. So in order to make the code generic, okay, give the relative path. See, still it is one. Okay. Put edit called. Did I give any edit?
read all the data, URL, password.
How to read it and copy data. URL here, user, UN, password, username. This is password. This program must please take URL, UN, password. See if I execute, give me all the things. Check it is give me all. Then this program must please take property data. And the same program please take. Shall I find your yes, variable? Yes, you can look at it. Reference is this on the second program. Get all data in a single line like list. Yes, correct. Then enter the URL in SendKCRP. Use this email. Same thing. Enter the password in SendKCRP. How to do it quickly? Add your break and come back. Okay, 140. Say question in the chat. Write a script. Let me close it. Next step.
How to log in at the time by taking this data from property file.
Get past the user. Password equals p dot get property password. Okay, now I should. Okay, tell me how to enter the username, how to enter the password. Can you tell me now? How to enter the username? By using send keys. Send keys. Using send keys. Shall I use send keys directly like this? Send keys. No, we have to find first path driver dot and path, then we have to take path. By dot, what shall I use? ID, shall I use ID? I think ID. Use ID. Yes, I use right click and select. Same, what is the ID? ID is username, so I will use ID. Or shall I use name also? For both the username. Here also for password, PWD is the name. No ID is there for password text box. Okay. For username text box, ID. For password text box, name equals PWD. For username text box, name equals user. And then what shall I use for username text box? By ID. ID is what? What is ID? Username. Here dot send keys. What is the send keys I should do here? Now this 24 will tell user for line number name. Same way, enter the password in password driver dot find element y dot name it but PWT in small letters. Then use dot send keys. Then click on login button. That's it. Driver dot find element y dot xpath is another because I have done it many times. Double slash okay dot equals login dot equals login. See if I execute it will successfully enter the user URL, enter the username, take the username, take the password, click on login. See that. Without using dot sorry, click on the login. Sorry, or click on login button. Dot means text function. Instead of using dot, you can also use instead of using text function, you can also use dot. For the browser done, enter the URL is also done. Then username, enter the username, enter the password is done, but it is not clicking on the login button. I explain what you are telling. Okay. I have used it is that's the reason it is not. Yes, dot click. Now you can click on login button. Is it click on login button here? What is the home page? Here, getting the home page. It is displaying the home page which successfully clicked on login button. Take down. Or please take this as an assignment. Okay. Everyone take the UN and enter password and PW. This one. See here. What is this? What we are doing in line number 20? What we are doing in line number 20 and 21. It is not UN. It is whatever you reference variable I can keep it. Okay. Instead of you or you there. What is it? What is it? Okay. You can give anything. Okay. Means what will line number from here here data and keeping the data in the reference variable. Okay. Inside URL. So like instead of that, instead of this line number 19 to 21, I can then pass. Instead of putting it in a reference variable, like I can directly pass here for URL. I can directly. Yes. I will sit directly like this. Same thing. I will do the same thing. Instead of new L, I can pass the this. Few people also don't do this. But this is not the video. I will not suggest this one instead of this one. No need of this. But try to use reference. Okay? Try to use the reference because we can also go like this. Okay? This line will bring the data from the property file. Okay, you can give HTTP and put it in setting here. Here also instead of send this, I am doing like this. Like this also you can do like this. Okay? You can also do like this. Instead of that, what I'm doing, I'm
You
so that you will come to know it. So that you will come to installing a right? Excel will not be there. Okay, in every OS you have to install it. Okay, by default, if you Windows version, it will make purchasing generic license of Windows, it may come by default, or else you need to install the Excel. Okay, that is Microsoft. It will comes under Microsoft Office. It will comes under Office. How to get on it? Click on new. If it is already installed, click on go to new, right click new Microsoft Excel works. Okay, you create any name, but extension by default automatically it will take this. I will create the name as test script dot xlss. Test script dot xlss. It is already there. Let me delete it. Let me create. Right click, new Microsoft Excel. I'll create it as test script dot xlss. Created. Open it. Here I'll give one thing called I need to read the customer. I need to create a customer. I want to create the customer with. Okay, I want to create the customer with name called CSC underscore 001. This is the customer name I am creating my project. My test case. Assume that I'm working for one test case called create customer. I need to create the customer name. Okay, customer name as HTLC underscore 001. And customer description as okay something called banking. Anything. Okay. Banking project or banking something, anything you can give. Okay. What is this? Okay, so don't worry about the second column. In first column, I need to create a customer with the name called HDFC underscore 001. Okay. Underscore HDFC underscore 001. This is what my customer name is. Okay, I want to create the customer with the name called HDFC underscore 001. Okay. How to read it? First, I should know how to read the data from the Excel. How to read the data from the Excel. Whenever you want to read the data from the Excel, okay, Notepad by default, Java is providing the solution for how to read the data from the either Notepad or property files. But here, we don't have solution in Java to read the data from the Excel. In Java, there is no solution. Okay, for that, there is one thing called Apache file. Okay, there is a community called Apache, company called Apache. In that, okay, they are providing the 5 documents. 5 stands for food authentication implementation. Okay, so you have to download the jar file. You have to download the jar file under present in Apache 5. there is a community called Apache Pi. You have to download few jars. Okay, whenever you want to read the data from the property. How to download? Okay, let me show you. You can see 12 jars. No, the jars. Okay, you have to use it. Everyone do. Okay. Then one after the other. First, then we have to then underneath 12 jars, everything you copy and paste it inside. Paste it inside. Set the jars. Then wait. These jars you have to add to this one. Wait. Okay. Let me do it one more time here. You get unzip the folder first. Open it. Get like this. Open that up. 6 jars. Next. Under jars. Click on jars. Control V. Next. Again. One. Okay. Except for the folder. Copy it. Move it. And paste it. That also. Two more. Paste it. And again. Go. Sir, your voice.
So,
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible, but your voice is not matching with the screen display. Now check it out. Now check it. 1 second. I opened Eclipse. Yes. I can see program. Yes. Okay. Open this. Unzip the folder first. From here, you have unzip the folder. Where there is the right click, extract all. Click on extract. When you do like this, the folder will be unzipped. After that, open this file. You have totally 20 jars. You have 6 jars here. Open this OXML folder, 2 jars. It's so much. Again, come back. It's one more folder called lib. Inside this also totally 12 jars. So totally, let's say 20 jars you have to add to it. Okay, copy the 6 jars. Control C. Come back to Eclipse. Paste it here. Again, go back. Under downloads. Under the same thing. OXML. Copy this. Control C and paste it inside the jars. That is what happened. Now, same way, go there, open this paper folder, copy this, Control C, go to Eclipse, and paste it under the jars. Select all the jars except the Selenium server, add the build path. Go to build path, add all the jars. 20 jars are added to it. Everyone to this now. How to select? Select first one, then shift down arrow. It will again keep on pressing down arrow. One by one. Why we are adding Selenium jar to build path? Then one reason we are adding it. Right? And as of now, everyone to okay. Shift down arrow. They have created a library, but there is no library for the data application. In Java, there is no solution. Okay, Apache Pi is a third party tool. There they are providing a solution. Okay, what is that? When I read the data application, then you will come to know. As of now, just take it. I will explain it. You can see every jar under the references like this once is added. Open and type this. Now I want to read this data. CFC underscore 001. Okay. Now I want this data. Actually, first I read it and then wherever it is defined. But I want to get this data. How to get this data in Excel? Whenever you want to read the data on a symbol, we can keep on adding sheets. There can be any number of sheets present in the Excel. It is not like a notepad. Notepad only one sheet, but here a number of sheets. Whenever you want to read the data from the Excel, first you should know the sheet. Means you should go inside the sheet. Then after going inside the sheet, for that you should go inside the file. That is file. What is the file name? Test.txt. And go inside the file first. Then go inside the sheet. Then here data will be shown in the format of row. That is nothing but cell. One cell means it is having one row number and cell number. Okay. Here, okay, there can be n number of rows and n number of cells or columns. Okay. We never call it as columns in Excel. We call it as cell. This is one cell, cell number 1, 2, 3, like that. Row also same thing. 1, 2, second row, third row, fourth row, like that. Okay. In Excel, a row will start, index of the row will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Here also, index of the cell or column will start from 0. 0 means this one. This is 1, and this is 2, like that. First, you have to go inside the sheet, file, then sheet, then you have to go inside the row. There can be n number of rows. You should know the row count. Okay, you should know the row number. Okay, then after going inside the row, in which cell you want to read the data. You should need this cell or column number. This is 0, this is 1. Okay. What is the row number of HDFC? This is 0, this is 1. So row number is 1. What is the cell number for this HDFC 001? 0. Cell is 3. Cell means what? Column 1. So same thing. First step, let me create a class. Let me create a class called Excel data or Excel. Simply Excel data or Excel. Simply create a class. What is the first step? First step, I told you, whenever you want to read the data of the Excel source file, you have to use this file input stream. FIS is equal to new file input stream of. Give the path. Path is what? How to give the path? This path. Right click, properties, click on security, copy the path. Place the cursor on the error. Okay. Next step is, okay, there we are using, okay, there is one thing called load. Okay, there is a two methods there is not only the data from the property file. One is load and one more is get property. Okay. Here, instead of loading, we use a word called, we'll use a word called create, method called create. There, load method, okay, load method is what? Non-static. Then here, create is what? There is a create method, which is a static method. They are non-static. Here, non-static. Present in workbook factory class. Okay, workbook factory class. Are you guys getting? There is a method called create. It is like a loading the file. Why they are using create name? We'll see that. I will tell you. Okay, create is a method, static method present in workbook factory class. Tell me how to call this method. Tell me how to call the create method.
Non-static means
I don't know. Okay, present in workbook factory class. That's it. What's the class name?
Excel data.
What is the class name? passing FIS for load method, here also you have to pass FIS for create. Then after loading the file, what we are doing, we are using get property. Directly we are passing the key and getting the value. But here you have to pass three things. What is that? Is you have to pass the sheet name. Sheet name it will ask you, then row number, then cell number. Then you have to use what? Okay, then you have to use it. One second, guys. 1 second. Sheet one. So you have to give the sheet. Then you have to give the row number. In which row you want to give the data? Why you have to give the row number? Because there are many rows. Thousands of rows are there. You have to give the row number. In which row you have to get it. And at last you have to give the cell number also. Okay. Again, guys, give me a second. 1 second, I'll have water on top. String cell value. Cell value. There is a method called string cell value. You can use two string methods. Either one you can use. Okay. After loading the file, use get sheet. You have to go inside the sheet. Which sheet? Sheet one. Sheet one. After going inside the sheet, you have to use get row for going inside the row. Means we are getting control of the row. With which row I should get the data? In which row? This is 0 and this is 1. So you have to okay, you have to give 1. Then give the cell number. Get cell. What is the cell number? This is 0. This is 1. So I should give 0. Let me give 0. After that, you have to read the data. How to read the data? You can use toString method or you can use getString cell value, any method. Now we will read the data. Put it in a reference variable called data, Excel data, print it.
Okay.
Ready data is not ready data for the okay. Instead of giving absolute path, I will give the relative path. 1 second. Let me paste it inside the data folder. Okay. Now I will give the relative path. Dot slash data slash SQL.xlsx. Now I will execute. Okay. Something went wrong. Okay. I know that what mistake I have done. 1 second. Let me delete this. Okay. I came to know that what mistake I have done. 1 second. Okay. I will keep the file in the Excel itself. 1 second.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will execute. So that's the reason it was not working. Now it will. Okay, normally everyone will do this mistake. say it is reading data from the Excel. What mistake I have done is after this double quotes and see there is one space I have given. Okay, it will not visible. It will not be visible. That's the reason it is not working. It was giving file. Okay, it was giving what file not found exception. Okay, even if we do one small minor mistake, it will not work. Now see here what I have done. Let me see here. Repeat. I will repeat each and everything one more time. Listen to this carefully. How to read the data from the Excel file is very important. Okay, is very important. Okay. First step. What you guys need to do is, okay, what you guys need to do is here. You have to convert external resource file into Java readable format. Okay, then you have to load the file. In order to load the file, there is a method called create method, which is present in workbook factory class. Workbook and is a static method. So created. Okay, so we need not to create an object. You have to use what create method. It's a static method, but using class name we are going to access. Pass. Okay, yes. Then after loading the file, you have to go inside the sheet. Okay, means you have to get the control of this. For that, there is a method called get sheet. Sheet name you have to give. What is the sheet name? Sheet 1. After going inside the sheet, you have to go inside the row. Means you have to get the control of the row. You have to use a method called get row. In which row also take you fetch the data. In row number 1. In 0, enter is there. Okay. Then after that, okay, means going inside the cell. 0. Then either you can use toString method. You can use, there is one method called get string cell value. So it will read the data. Means load the file. This file it is going to load. Then go inside the sheet. Go inside the row. Go inside the cell. Then get the value. Get string cell value. Okay. Value equals or data equals this one. Return type is a string. If I print it, okay, SYSO control space enter value. If I execute this, see, it will give me HDFC underscore 001. Print. Okay, normally, okay, we never give sheet name at all. Okay, instead of sheet name, we use test case. My test case is create customer. So create customer data will be kept inside the sheet. Okay, we'll do like this. Okay, we are going to do like this. Create customer. Here also change the sheet name. Instead of sheet 1, create customer. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts in this? In real time, we never do like this, guys. In one line, we'll not write the code, entire code. Instead of that, what we'll do? First, we'll load the file, put it in one reference variable called WB, anything, reference variable called anything. Return type is workbook. Don't get confused between workbook and workbook file. Okay. Then here, we are going to put WB here. Okay, this is how we are going to write it in real data. Okay, this is how we are going to read the data from the Excel file in real data. Okay, why they are using create means this Excel is there. No, it is like a workbook. Workbook means normal notebook. Normal work notebook. How do we have? Okay, one sheet, number of sheets. Okay, if it is rule book, you will be having rows right like this. And also cells also you will be having. Like that they have compared it. So that's the reason. Instead of using load method, okay, load is already there. So that's the reason they have used one method called create method. And this method and this workbook practice class is not present in Java. Where it is present? It is present inside this class. This class you have added no. All this get workbook class, workbook factory class, this get sheet, this get sheet methods, get row methods, get cell methods. All these methods are present inside this class. Okay, one more class will be added to class methods. Okay, it is not present in Java. Whereas in previous in this get property data, this get property method and this node method, this properties class is already present in the Java libraries in this package, java.unit package. Okay, this package is present in JDK libraries. But this one, Apache 5, you will see that Apache 5. What is the package name? Apache.5, Apache 5. These packages are present, will be present inside this class. Okay, that's the reason you have to download this class. Okay, and it is stating why we are downloading the class. In Java, there is no libraries or solutions of it. Okay, it is present in these packages, and these packages are present in that package. Okay, take down this. 1 second. Okay, take it down. Take down this program. Okay. Instead of doing like this, few people will write like this. First, they will do like this. This one is easier. The one which I showed you guys is a little bit easier. There is a class called sheet, there is a class called row, there is a class called, okay, there is a class called cell also. Okay, there's a class called cell also. This is how they go to read the data from the Excel. Few people will write like this. Okay, the previous one is little bit easier than compared to this. You have to remember the each and every class means the return type of create method is workbook class. Same way, return type of get sheet. Okay, get sheet. Okay, is sheet. Okay, sheet class. Return type of get row is row class. Return type of get cell is cell class. Return type of get string cell value is string class. Okay, they will write like this. Okay, you can take down this also. Okay, take down this also. Sir, is there any